Hi everybody, finally in Dubai. It was not bad, the journey actually. The baby behaved, we got proper seats. I expected it to be very difficult, considering what the situation is. I'm talking about the travel restrictions, PCR test, but from UK to Dubai, it was pretty easy. I think they've just opened up everything for people to come here for that Expo 2022. So they are a little more friendlier out here, considering, we were in that, the red list country. To be honest, this isn't my first day. The last 3 days has been so hectic. We have a lot of family friends here in Dubai. I mean, my mom's extended family. I'm here on a very important project. I can't talk about it much more. I think when we are ready, I probably will do a vlog with my brother. We are thinking of doing a video together because you guys know he loves to cook. He's just absolutely wonderful as a restaurant out here. So my brother and I are working on something which I'm pretty excited about. That's the only reason I decided to travel here to Dubai, besides to see him, because the last I saw him was when Nirvana turned 1. We have another dinner invitation. I have exactly half an hour to get ready and get going. After that, I'm just going to come back and we'll just chill for a while, and then I'll talk to you and tell you exactly what's been happening. We'll just catch up, okay? My skin has been behaving so well. I'm so happy, though the weather out here is just absolutely great. By the way, it's about, sometimes it goes up to 20, sometimes 17, 18, and yet my skin, it's just, nazar na lage. I'm just going to show you a glimpse of what dinner is going to be today at Siddharth and Sanchali's place. Siddharth is my brother's best friend and Sanchali is his beautiful wife. I'll see you in a bit. Hello, so I'm back and I'm just going to brush my teeth and take off my makeup. I have been testing out a few new skincare, obviously, for 2022. I've been trying out an anti-aging oil from Kama Ayurveda. This is the new Amarupa. This is an anti-aging oil, so basically it says it's wrinkle repair and firming face oil. And the Kumkumadi, you guys know I've spoken about this so many times. Whole of last year I've been talking about the Kumkumadi oil from Kama Ayurveda, but I have been really enjoying this one. This, for Dubai weather, it really is very moisturizing and extremely hydrating. So a perfect night oil, as my last step. So I'm just going to use my cleansing balm out here. I hope you have seen the best cleansing balm video that I have done for you guys in the best of 2021. I'm just going to do my 60-second face wash rule. I'm just going to take about 2-3 drops of retinol. It just boosts, it's like two anti-aging properties together. So in the morning, I just apply this oil and then a sunscreen. So if you look at it, texture-wise, it reminds me so much of the Kumkumadi one. This is not a vegan formula. It's got goat milk. It's got centella and licorice root extract. Not many Ayurvedic facial oils have got those two key ingredients as their main focus point, So I guess that is the reason that it really helps with your dark circles. So this, I mainly focus around the orbital bone, not at all next to the lash line. I always massage this oil around it, and wherever I feel I need a little bit of extra help. Since it has carrot seed oil also, it gives you that plumping effect, okay? It just enhances the skin's, complexion. So this oil, unlike Kumkumadi, texture-wise, it's a little more lighter. So you can apply this even in the morning, and it gives you this deep hydration, and it just sits very well on the skin. And because of the weather out here, it is just perfect, because especially if the climate is nice and cold, even if you're staying in a humid country, where you are not facing winter, you can make this one work. It's very hydrating, but I feel people with dry skin, you're really going to enjoy this. And I have worked with Kama many times because I really love that brand. They make some really good Ayurvedic products, and their facial oils have always suited me. Their Kumkumadi, and this one didn't break me out at all. Usually, if I try out a new Ayurvedic oil, I would, I would go through a skin purging moment, and I didn't. The last 3-4 days, I have been making my brother test this oil as well because he's got sensitive skin. He breaks out immediately, but this did not. Yeah, it's a very simple, nice skincare routine. It's not too oily, but at the same time extremely hydrating. So perfect to go with any actors of your choice. In the morning, when I wake up, I'll show you my morning skincare routine as well using this oil. The reason I'm using this oil twice a day is only because it just packs in that hydration for me, and it makes my skin feel really soft and supple without making it really oily. It's just the perfect thing right now for the Dubai weather. I just like the effect that it is giving my skin. It's giving my skin more of that glow. I am adding retinol every alternate night. If you're not a fan of retinol and you just want something a little more natural, especially if you are pregnant and you are looking out for something that's a great anti-aging oil, then this is perfect. To be honest, I'm starting to like this better than their Kumkumadi. Their Kumkumadi is great, don't get me wrong, but this oil is really amazing. And it's too soon for me to say that yes, my dark spot completely went and hyperpigmentation, but definitely there's an improvement. My skin is looking soft and glowy. I mean, last year I tested out a lot, and this year I just want to go basically, what can I say, quality over quantity, and Kama is quality. So I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to have a sip of my tea. It is 9:10 in the morning. Had a nice sleep. I'm going to do my hair today. My sister's place. She usually goes to this girl who used to work for Nalini and Yasmin in Bombay. And when I was in Bombay, I used to go to Nalini and Yasmin a lot. So my appointment's at 3 o'clock, but before that, Pooja and I am going to catch up for lunch. There is a lovely restaurant. Apparently, what she was saying, there's a place in Karama. Karama has the best eatery places. Whatever new cuisine, if you love your South Indian as well as your North Indian food in general, Karama is the place. And there's this fish thali, which I'm quite excited after I heard that. So my morning skincare routine again is very simple. I took bath. I just washed my face properly. Now, not the 60-second ritual. It's just one time a day. So I'm just going to put an active right now. I'm just taking niacinamide, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of that Amarupa oil from Kama Ayurveda. I really like it, especially during this very cold season. Like I mentioned last night, it just makes my skin feel so hydrated throughout the day, and it just makes my skin feel really soft. So after I apply this oil, I do not apply anything else on top of that. I'm just going to go and make breakfast for the baby, get her ready. So it gives me exactly about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I can apply my sunscreen and my makeup because nothing sits on top of oil properly if you do it immediately. That's why they say oil is always your last step, but I usually like to apply my sunscreen as my last step in all my skincare products. So after I apply this oil for about 15-20 minutes, literally, I don't do anything. So if you have the time, then go for it. Otherwise, you can apply your sunscreen and then apply this facial oil and your makeup. Okay, so this is just my process. So for anyone wondering, this is what the outer packaging looks like. The information is all out here. And right at the end, the pricing and every other information, explanation of the product is given at the back as usual. I love Kama. This is what the bottle looks like in case you did not see it yesterday. And texture-wise, as you can see, it reminds me so much. I'm talking about the color of the Kumkumadi one, but very different from Kumkumadi. Even the texture, as you can see, it's very lightweight. Very lightweight, but extremely hydrating as well. It did not break me out. It's non-comedogenic. It's such a perfect hydrating oil for winters. And I feel even during summertime, you can definitely make this one work. You just need to take one drop of it and that's more than enough, okay? A little goes a long way with this beautiful oil. With Kama, you get two different quantities. This is for 15 ml and this is for 2,995. You also get the 3 ml one for 695. So if you want to try this one out, I would highly recommend you to go for the smaller version. See if your skin is used to it, and then you can buy the big one. Like with the Kumkumadi, you know that there is a oil sitting on top of your skin, but with this one, there's no sticky, tacky residue. It's very hydrating, but at the same time, skin easily absorbs it. And they do recommend that you can even apply this on a damp face. So if you want to skip the process of any actives in the morning, you can do that as well, because this is an anti-aging oil. So you can just wash your face, make sure that your skin is slightly damp, take about, 1 or 2 drops if you've got normal to oily skin, and about 3 drops to 4 drops if you've got extremely dry skin. It's got goat's milk, centella. Centella anyway is an anti-inflammatory and anti-aging herb that stimulates, skin's own collagen production. But guys, it has also got gooseberry and citron fruit, which is a powerhouse for vitamin C, and that is why it just improves your skin's complexion. The natural actives such as Arjuna extracts strengthens the skin barrier and reduces dryness and protects the skin from external aggravators. And the carrot seed oil just plumps the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. I'm going to take one more drop of it using my ring finger. I'm just going to rotate that on the orbital bone again. I've been noticing a lot of dryness around my nose area. I recommend you giving it time, about 15-20 minutes before you go on to any other step. Let the skin nicely absorb this product, and then you can go ahead with your makeup application, and you'll see that the makeup sits very, very well. That is the process of this beautiful oil. Highly recommend it. Matured skin. If you're looking out for a good facial oil for morning and evening, especially if you've got dry skin, this is a beautiful, beautiful oil, and I'm starting to like this better than Kumkumadi. That's saying a lot, because I'm a big fan of Kumkumadi oil in general. So please do check out the info bar in case you're planning to buy this. I'm going to have my tea now, and let's just start the day. This is my final look, guys. I've just got my white H&M shirt, my black Zara trouser, That is amazing. That is so amazing. That's so good. Okay, that meal was epic. I can't believe how bloody affordable it is. There is no way I would have got that meal if I were in London. A sadhya, seafood of your choice. You even get that. I also saw them, having that seafood in the bucket. I don't know what kind of masala is put into that, and then you topple it into your rice. Highly, highly recommend this place. I highly recommend that you checking out this place. It's amazing. So right now we're just going over to the tailor's. I bought a Zara pant which kind of like popped because holiday weight is on me. So I'm just going to fix that, and then right after that we probably have about an hour, 2 hours to kill. So we'll walk around, do some shopping, and then get my hair sorted. These roots need help. Oh, it's taken forever to strip off that darkness out of my strands. We have another 2 more hours to go, and I probably will have to come back after a week so that it doesn't damage the strands a lot more. I have to take this step gradually. So we're doing the first, root touch up right now, and then after a week we'll come back for the highlights and lowlights. Hi, Jenna. Hi. So I went shorter. It's a nice chocolate brown so far to it. They've taken that burgundy color and the darkness from the end, as you can see. And then on the 9th, I have to go back, and then they probably put those highlights. So far, nice and soft, loving it. Looks nice and healthy. My hair has never been this short, you guys. I'm not too sure, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Short hair suits me. I probably regret this after about a week, but so far I'm loving it. It'll be easy to maintain and style, especially when I go to India. And if I have to scrunch it up, it probably look really, really nice. But definitely a lot of volume, and yeah, I'm gonna make myself some coffee right now. It's from Sarah Sarosh. This is the mocha PRIYANKA. Yum! It's got a nice chocolate undertone to it. Beautifully done out here, Sarah.